Welcome to Story Time! Hi, I'm your story time buddy, Miss Melufa. And today we're going to read the story Splat the Cat Ice Cream for Ice Cream, based on the creation of Rob Scotton. Splat the cat beamed in the back of the bus. His class was on a field trip to the ice cream factory. I could eat 4 ice cream cones a day, said Splat.
I could eat 15,
said Blank.
And I could eat all yours and a million more,
said Spike. Kitten licked her lips. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. The friends cried. At the ice cream factory, ice cream swirled in big vats. Pipes steamed. Nozzles gleamed. Wow, said Splat. What a dream! The factory manager greeted them.
I am Mr. Jellybean,
He said.
Who wants a tour?
Hooray! Sang the cats. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Mr. Jellybean led the class to a back room. The cats' faces fell. There was a chalkboard, chairs, desk, but no ice cream to be seen. Mr. Jellybean cleared his throat.
First, let's talk freezers.
He said.
Some are big, some are small. All are extremely cold.
Mr. Jellybean talked on and on. He seemed to love his freezer theme. But the cats did not. Their eyes glazed over, their heads drooped. Splat began to daydream that he was making ice cream. He closed his eyes and leaned against a big red button. Emergency ice cream release button! Alarms blared. Lights beamed. Splat jumped and screamed. He puffed out of a big pipe. Then, splat! Ice cream streamed out. It became a huge ice cream wave.
Now that's a load of ice cream,
Said Blank, taking a taste.
Yum.
What? What happened?
Mrs. Wimpy Dimple asked.
I don't know.
Said Splat from under the chocolate chips. The class cleaned themselves up. Mrs. Wimpy Dimple counted heads. Everyone was there except
Seymour!
Splat screamed. I have to find Seymour, he said. He ran back toward the door.
Wait,
Kitten cried.
we'll come with you. We're a team, after all.
Inside, the team checked out the ice creamy mess. Let's look, they said. Be careful, Splat said. Seymour is so small we may not see him under all this ice cream. With brushes and buckets, the cat cleaned and ate their way into the factory. Seymour! Splat called, but Seymour was nowhere to be seen. Then the team cleaned and ate their way through the next room. Seymour! Splat called again. The team continued until the factory gleamed. But it seemed Seymour wasn't anywhere under all that ice cream. Just then, a block of whipped cream fell onto Splat's head. Splat looked up. There was Seymour. He was way up on a beam. He couldn't call out. His mouth was full of ice cream. Samuel leaped into Splat's paws. Then Mr. Jellybean thanked the team.
The factory is so clean. How can I repay you? Would you like some ice cream? The cat all groaned.
No more ice cream, they said,
For now.
whispered Seymour. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed the story. Until next time, bye-bye.